Hello guys, it's Scott from MSM Adventures, and it is a cold, rainy April 2nd in Wisconsin here, as you can see. Just going up to one of my favorite stores, you know it, Lowe's Home Improvement. Install some drawer slides today on Meadows. Has a storage bed, a twin bed with storage drawers underneath it. The Aunt made her. Awesome bed. It just needs some heavy-duty drawer slides. So I'm going to head up to Home Depot, or to Lowe's. Look at Home Depot. They have similar things, but actually it looks like Lowe's is a little bit cheaper, and they have them in stock, whereas my local Home Depot doesn't have the heavy-duty full ball bearing drawer slides in stock. So we're off to Lowe's, which I love, and we'll check back in with you. Just it's kind of a cold, dreary, windy day, so won't be doing too much RC flying or driving outside like I had hoped. So it's just kind of time for some projects around the house, and wanted to check in, do a quick video for you guys, and maybe I'll document some of the if I can get the drawer slides on the install on those. There's already slides on there, so hopefully it'll be a fairly simple install. Just kind of replacing them with the heavier duty slides. So, all right, guys. Hope you're having a great morning, and we'll check back in with you soon. Bye. Hey guys, back with you. I just wanted to do a quick update for anybody in the Midwest. Lowe's has got their soil and mulches. I think they sell the red, black, and brown off in the parking lot, all set up, getting ready for some warm weather. And it's always a good sign of spring when Lowe's and Home Depot start their parking lot sales. Swing back around here, we are at Lowe's. Looks like they're Hey guys, just got back from Lowe's, and we got some 22-inch full extension, full ball bearing drawer slides, heavy duty, heavy metal all the way, instead of that plastic stuff. And got them at Lowe's. I think they're about 18 bucks a piece. So not too bad. And we're going to try to install them on Meadow's bed, and hopefully we will be able to load it full of clothes without it falling off the track. So we'll give that a whirl. Also, while I was at Lowe's, I decided to buy some polyurethane clear gloss and a couple of oil-based brushes, because I want to put a coat of poly on this workbench top before it gets any more messed up. Might as well put a nice coating on it. Again, I'm not super worried about the wood, but it'll make it kind of a nice smooth finish, and also protect it so I don't have to replace the top all the time. So I'm gonna use my fancy ladybug brush, clear it up, clean it all off, and then we're gonna apply some poly. While it's drying, we'll try to install some drawer slides. So we'll be back with you soon. Hi boys, there's my coop. Hi Cashy Wishy. There's Cooper. They're chilling in their room. They just tore up a dog toy, so there's lots of fuzz and stuff back there. Okay, so plan B on the installing new slides in Meadow's bed drawers here. These are still the old ones hanging on here. And you can see kind of the lighting is really bad in here, so sorry, but this is like the metal but plastic end that they kind of slip in there, but they keep popping out. And these are decent slides for like drawers that probably hold like 10 pounds or so. But in our case, we've been loading it up with Meadow's, all of Meadow's clothes, and pardon the mess, that's what I'm getting to, is plan B is to clean a room first, because it's driving me crazy. But these drawers themselves are probably, it's all plywood, so they feel like they're about 20 plus pounds just in the wood alone. So we'll put these heavier duty drawer slides on. I've started it, but I decided to tear apart the bed and just make it easier to work on. I was going to try to take it out to my shop in my garage, but it's really heavy. So without help here, I think I'm just going to clean up the room and give us a place to work on. You can see it's a complete mess. If Meadow were here, I would certainly make her help me, and she'll be home from school in 2 hours, so if I'm still have stuff to clean up, she is going to help me, because this is a mess. But what became a bigger project is there's no wood here between the supports for the new glides, because the glides, the heavy duty glides, they screw kind of all along, you know, in like 3 or 4 different spots to a piece of wood, but there's no wood there to support it, so I would only be able to support it in the front but not the back, and nowhere along the middle the way the current configuration is. So I'm going to need to cut and place a piece of wood in here, so I have something strong to screw to. So it'll require a little bit more work than I thought, but it should be a fun project, not a big deal. So I'll have to support, pretty much we'll have to make supports for along here, because that 2x4 is not really in the right spot for that either. Another, at least one here for both sides there, because there's 3 drawers, and then here and here. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 pieces of wood for supports for those 3 drawers. So, all right, I'm going to clean up a little bit, get organized, and I'll check back in with you for the next phase of this plan. All right, take care. At least it's a cold, rainy day. Good project for indoors. Hey guys, Scott back with you. Okay, so far I've put in the end piece that I just cut to length, 21.5, and a little notch there that I just did with the jigsaw, and screwed it in with wood screws. And now for the center sections, I've got four pieces of 3/4, since 2 2x4s was just a little bit too big to fit in here. But now I'm getting rid of some of the plastic hardware and about ready to install these middle supports for the glides. And you can see the other one down here. It's just a mirror image of the one on the other end. This length, or this height, what it'll turn out to be, did not need to be that tall, but I just had the piece of wood, so I just cut it in half. So I just wanted to make sure I've got enough meat there to drill the glides in, but it's probably a couple inches bigger than it has to be, but it doesn't really matter because it'll all be hidden, other than adding a little bit more weight to this bed, which is already super heavy. So, all right, we'll be back with you. I'm going to go ahead and finish taking out this plastic hardware, installing a new board in here that the new glide will mount to, and we'll be back with you. See you in a bit. Alright guys, just a little update. We got the drawers in, got those side supports in that I was talking about so that the slides can ride on, and they're nice and smooth for these heavy drawers. So we've got the 2 supports there, 2 supports there, and one along the edge that you can see down in there. So we're wrapping this up. We're going to put the top on it and clean up the rest of Meadow's room today. All right, peace. And just finishing off the polyurethane project for the workbench. Looks pretty good. Dried pretty nice and pretty solid, but thinking about putting a 3rd coat on it, but it looks pretty good with just the 2. Will certainly work. But this wood was soaked it up so well that might sand it and put a 3rd coat on, but just wanted to update you. Had the fan blowing on it to help it out. So, all right, it is a wind chill of 8 degrees here in Wisconsin. So another good day for indoor projects. But thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you next time. Hope you're having a great day. Peace out.